All right, going to be taking a look at XTRN. XTRN currently traded at 0007 right now. Big volume day right now with 1 billion shares being traded. Now at 0008. The average for the last 20 days has been about 84 million shares being traded for the average. So average 20 days, like I said, 84 million shares being traded today. Pow, with 1 billion shares traded, and it's 11:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, could probably head up to about 1.5 billion, if not higher, the way that's traded. One thing that concerns me, I'm just voicing my personal opinion. Okay, so this could be a great investment. This could be a horrible investment. That's not for me to determine. That's for you to determine. I'm just voicing my personal opinion of what I see here. Look at this big move over here in January 18th on 139 million shares. You guys opened at 0005, hitting the high of 0013. And then today, 1 billion, not making that big of a move on that was what, a tenth of the shares, and you guys are still making your way up. The one thing that I want to point out to you guys, so you're very, very understanding here, is that look at after one pop, boom, the following day, right here, you actually had 2 pops, boom, the next day, right back down again, bring you down to the bottom, a move up, boom. Is this going to be a move up and then boom back down? 1 billion shares being traded. I would personally play this one safe. I really would. But again, we haven't went over this one in a few months. Hopefully Joe could follow up. Maybe the company's got a buyback program going on that we're not aware of yet, but we'll see what Joe can add.
Yeah, I'm not really sure either. With these guys right here, I'm seeing the float is authorized 10 billion, and that's as of August 8th, 2016, with the float being 291,211,664 shares. That's as of January 23rd, 2017. They had a press release yesterday, or actually today, and it was X-Rail Entertainment Incorporated, and they are traded on the OTC Pink with the ticker symbol XREE. Makes tender offer to Las Vegas Railway Express Incorporated, XTRN, to purchase the company for $20 million in cash and stock. So these guys right here have a buyout offer from XREE. All right, so X-Rail Entertainment Incorporated, their website is xrailentertainment.com. Owner of the X Wine Railroad, X Train, and Club X Train membership businesses. CEO Michael Barone announced today that the company has made a tender offer to the management of Las Vegas Railway Express Incorporated to acquire 100% of the company's outstanding stock, liabilities, and assets in exchange for $20 million in cash and stock from the X-Rail Entertainment Incorporated. CEO Michael Barone stated this is a consolidation of all of the X-Train's brands still held under a royalty agreement between X-Rail Entertainment Incorporated, X-Free, and Las Vegas Railway Express Incorporated. That's with the ticker symbol XTRN, which we're looking at now. The offer would deposit into XTRN the total of $20 million in cash and securities in exchange for 100% of the company. This consolidation of interest is being done to benefit the many shareholders who invested in the project of running trains between LA and Las Vegas and who may have had their equity diminished, stated Barone. We just want all those who helped us get here have an opportunity to participate in the rewards of execution on this project. So for further information about our company, view our website, and it's xrailentertainment.com, or look up the trading symbol at otcmarkets.com and with the pink XREE. So that's the ticker symbol, so we should probably look over that one next. That's that. So these guys put in a tender offer to buy XTRN. So if you want to look more into it, you can go right over to the XTRN board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, which I was just reading from the May 23rd, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. I mean, right now, with this, where it's currently at, the share structure, the market value I'm looking at is saying that it's worth $156,704. So, I mean, you probably want to look at more of that, you know, with the share structure and everything else, because they're $20 million offer. All right, so that's pretty much that, David. So if you have an opinion as well, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on the XTRN board.
That's right. I'm looking at the time and sales as well here, guys. One of the features here offered completely free. The time, price, and volume for each trade going back to 30 days. So if you're following the stock, you want to see how it's trading, you don't have a level 2 to watch all day, and you kind of want to replay it in your head. As I always say, this is probably the best tool, completely free as well, not only for XTRN, but for all hot stocks out there. 0008 right now, like I said, I need to add in that price here, would probably be helpful. Again, it just seems like a lot of shares being traded, and I want to put that in there. This was actually at 0007 when we started watching it. 0007, there we go. 0007 watch resistance at 8. You guys are there right now. And then 10 support at 0006 and 4. A lot of shares being traded here, and it seems to pull back fast after a nice trading day. Play it safe, in my personal opinion. Could it keep going? Absolutely. But I'm going off the history here as well. We're going to continue to watch this one. XTRN, if you're following the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. Remember, the more that you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover it. So we'd appreciate that very much. And don't forget to check us out, investorshangout.com/live.